Alright, what is up, all you gorgeous people? I have a Bidao update for you guys. Some, interesting announcements. I'll touch on what's going on with the token burn situation. So before I delve into all that, I'd like to ask if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So, guys, I want to I just want to talk a little bit about the price action right now. Some interesting things going on here. So in the recent past, we fell below the ICO price with a hotbit listing. The next day, we seem to have recovered a bit, but we're going back down to retest the ICO price right now. So this is very interesting. We're literally testing the ICO price on the hourly right now. It seems like we've got less than 4 minutes for the hourly to close. So this is going to be very interesting to see if we hold the ICO price as support, or if we dip down below. Yeah, guys, that's basically it. We have to see how this plays out. Maybe we move sideways in a descending triangle and then break down some more, or we could fall down, test it as support, then go back up. There's really no way to know other than just seeing how this plays out. So, guys, we got an interesting announcement here. So it seems like Bidao's partnered with NEM. NEM's XCM, I believe, is a project that's been around for a while. They're now able to use that as collateral with Bidao, so that's interesting. New partnership. Also, a new something that was pointed out to me by one of our fellow YouTubers. I think it was Crypto Nate. Shout out to Crypto Nate, but I hope I got your channel name wrong or right. I hope I got your channel name right, bud. Yeah, he pointed out how here this little thing I kind of skipped over, but I think it's kind of significant, is in the previous announcement here talking about the what was this, the hotbit listing here, that here they said token burn later. So I mean, we didn't get like an official statement addressing the token burn specifically, but at least we got something, token burn later. So I'll take their word for it. Hopefully we do get a token burn later. But I just want to give you guys those updates. The NEM partnership, we are potentially going to have a token burn at some later date. I doubt they're going to be giving out dates at this point, given how much shit they've been catching for not meeting their deadlines in the past. Yeah, and also the price action is at a very critical state. We could either continue to move sideways and break down, or we can hold it as support. The more times we touch a support level, the more likely we are to break through. So I really don't know what's going to happen with this. We'll have to see. One nice thing to see is that on the hourly, there seems to be increasing volume. So whenever we have increasing volume, that's a good sign. But I would want to see continuation of this for sure. Yeah, I mean, we're also seeing declining volume right there. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. We'll see there. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin. Whew, Bitcoin's above 15. This is insane. A bunch of YouTubers have pointed out this formation to me. I believe it was the Moon. He's a big YouTuber, and also I forget his name. Some other YouTuber too pointed out this ascending wedge pattern for Bitcoin, which makes a lot of sense. And we broke out, and not only do we break out, we fell back down to test support here. And this, oh guys, when I saw this long wick to the upside, whew, like, I'm so hesitant to long Bitcoin right now because we've had such a tremendous run up that I'm just worried that we could get like a big drop at any point. But just the fact that we had this super long wick to the downside is very bullish in my opinion. I mean, you could just see at the price action. Anyone can see how bullish this is. I want to see how this plays out a little bit more. I think we're in a wedge here. It's not financial advice, guys. I'm just kind of spitballing here about what I'm thinking about here. Yeah, I want to see what the RSI looks like on these higher time frames. Oof, yeah, we're very much in the overbought. Yeah, MACD's taking down on the hourly. What's the volume looking like? Seems like we're getting declining volume. Yeah, I'd be very hesitant to long this right now. Yeah, even on the 4-hour, tick down on the histogram, we're very much in the overbought. Yeah, it seems like we're having declining volume. I wouldn't be surprised if we fell back down to retest this. Maybe like 14,800, 14,700. That's entirely possible. But even just the fact, guys, that we had this super long wick to the downside is bullish. So yeah, I really don't know, guys. I don't know. Also, the American election is not over definitively yet. You know, when it looked like Trump won, the stock market reacted well. So if it turns out that Biden ekes this thing out, the stock market could react negatively. We'll see. If so, that could potentially have an effect on Bitcoin. Bitcoin and the stock market have historically been somewhat correlated, but as of late, Bitcoin has been decoupling from the stock market. So if the stock market does indeed have a decline, it's an open question whether or not it would affect Bitcoin. And and to what extent it would affect it. So that's kind of more of an increasing open question, the effect that the stock market has on Bitcoin. Though I don't think it would be fair to say, or I wouldn't be confident in saying that the stock market has no effect on Bitcoin at this point. Maybe in the future, but as of now, I would go on a limb and say that it probably has some effect. So yeah, guys, those are kind of some interesting things I have my eyes on for the moment. So, but before I wrap up this video, guys, I want to take a moment to talk about GSX, this new cryptocurrency that I participated in the ICO, and I want to bring it up because if you sign up using the link down in the description below, you'll get a 5% sign up bonus, and I get a commission. So that's why I want to talk about this. But I want to really encourage you guys to please do your own research before investing in anything. Have your own risk assessment. Understand your own risk tolerances and all of that. I'm also going to leave a link to the white paper down in the description below, but just to kind of mention why I liked it, why I invested in the first place. Guys, this is gold-backed cryptocurrency. So I like that idea. So Apollo FinTech runs these mines. They're saying a portion of the profits that are produced from these mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. Right here we can see the timelines. They're saying in 3 years there will be enough gold backing the coin that to have a valuation of $1 per coin. Right now, they're currently selling it for 10 cents a coin. So who knows, guys? Take this with a grain of salt. I actually put out a video. I think I'm going to leave it in the description down below, kind of hashing out what I see as the pros and cons with this project, the risks associated. And I kind of delved into it in a more nuanced way in that video. So if you want to do some more research and want to hear my thoughts, what I think are the pros and cons with this, I think I'm also going to leave that link in the description down below so you guys can check that out, really get a sense of what I see as the major pros and cons with this. But yeah, guys, do your own research if you like it. Sign up with or if you like it, you want to participate, use that link, check out that link in the description. You get a 5% sign up bonus, and I get a commission based off that. So, yeah, I think that's it, y'all. All right, take care.